Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO A77 and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. Okay, to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on the screen. Now once your content is prepared, visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up. Now it is obstructed right now by this information panel, letting us know that we can capture a screenshot with 3-finger. So I'm just gonna select what we get. So we get partial screenshot by holding 3 fingers. We get just a simple 3-finger swipe for a screenshot, and a 3-finger hold swipe gives you the scrollable screenshot. So anyway, I'm just gonna demonstrate one of them, I guess. So simple swipe does the same thing. So here is our pop-up. I have scroll and share option, and after a moment this pop-up disappears. Now from here you can find your screenshots, all of them that you will capture over the time, in your Photos application, and it will be visible either right here under the Photos tab as the newest entry if it was just captured, but later on down the line if you want to come back to your screenshots, you can find them quickly by going into the albums, screenshots, and as you can see, here we have all our screenshots. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.